As the second day of school was underway at Capitol High School, the student accused of bringing a loaded gun on campus just the day before
Good afternoon, everyone.
Found himself
Please be seated.
in court.
The respondent in this matter carried a loaded firearm into school on the first day of school.
The 15-year-old is facing charges of unlawful possession of a firearm and bringing a dangerous weapon on school property.
This is just a very scary and dangerous situation for everyone involved.
Court records show the student had the loaded gun in his waistband in the school gym. Police were called to the school after a tip from a community member. The documents go on to say the teen took off running down the hall when officers tried to arrest him. Officers say they tased him when they saw him reaching into his waistband. Around 6 months ago, the teen was arrested after allegedly pulling a butcher knife on people inside a grocery store. Because of this new case, the judge decided to revoke his bail, keeping the student behind bars.
Court's expectation, and this is my observation, that most people while on pretrial release will be on their best behavior, and the allegations here are quite the opposite, putting the respondent and the community, especially at a school, at significant risk of harm.
Olympia police were called to our campus after a tip from a community member.
Community members, including Lindsay Wonder, who has 2 kids who attend Capitol High School, say this should have never happened in the first place.
I am absolutely livid. A reactionary crisis response is not a safe facility.
She's advocating for the Olympia School District to add metal detectors to schools to prevent guns from getting on campus. She's thankful someone called in a tip Wednesday.
If that hadn't happened yesterday, how many more days would they have brought it back? Would they have decided to use it at school? Would someone have got shot? Would someone be dead right now?
She is now calling for change to happen, calling this situation a failure.
We don't have a secure perimeter. We don't have metal detectors. We don't have anything keeping this from happening again the exact same way or worse. Nothing.
In Olympia, Connor Board, King 5 News.